This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about childhood. What is your happiest memory from childhood?
I think my happiest memory from childhood is spending time with my grandparents. They lived in a small village, and we used to visit them every summer. I loved playing in the fields and helping my grandmother in the kitchen.
Did you have a favorite toy or game as a child?
Yes, I loved playing hide and seek with my friends in the neighborhood. It was always so much fun, especially during the long summer evenings. We would run around and laugh. We tried to find the best hiding spots behind trees, bushes, or even in someone's backyard.
Were you more of an indoor or outdoor child?
I was definitely more of an outdoor child. I enjoyed running around, climbing trees, and playing with my friends outside. Being in nature made me feel free and happy. Although I also liked reading books indoors, spending time outside was always my preference.
Did you enjoy school as a child?
Yes, I enjoyed school, especially because I liked learning new things and seeing my friends every day. My favorite subjects were science and art, as they allowed me to explore my creativity and curiosity. Of course, there were days when school felt challenging, but overall, it was a positive experience.
Who did you look up to when you were a child?
As a child, I looked up to my older brother. He was always kind, patient, and good at sports. I admired how he handled challenges and helped me whenever I needed support. He was a great role model for me growing up.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a time you were really close to a wild animal. You should say when and where it happened, what kind of animal it was, what happened, and how you felt about it.
A memorable time when I was close to a wild animal happened during a trip to a national park last summer. The park is in northern Canada. While hiking with friends, we found an open area where a family of deer was eating grass. The scene was peaceful, with sunlight streaming through the trees. We stayed still and watched, trying not to disturb them. One young fawn stood out. It seemed curious and began to approach us slowly. We held our breath, not wanting to scare it. The fawn came quite close, just a few meters away, observing us with its large, gentle eyes. It was an incredible feeling to be so near to a wild animal in its natural environment. After a few moments of observing us, the fawn lost interest and wandered back to its family. The entire interaction lasted only a few minutes, but it felt much longer because of how special and rare it was. We were lucky to have such a close encounter without disturbing the animals or their natural behavior. We made sure to respect their space and avoid any sudden movements. This experience left a deep impression on me. Being so close to a wild animal felt humbling and reminded me of the beauty and tranquility of nature. It also highlighted the importance of preserving these natural habitats so that more people can have similar experiences. I felt a deep sense of gratitude for the opportunity to witness such a peaceful and special moment in the wild.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. We are going to continue to talk about wild animals. Why do people like to visit places where they can see wild animals?
Many people enjoy visiting places where they can see wild animals because it offers a unique experience. Seeing animals in their natural habitat helps people feel more connected to nature. It also provides an opportunity to learn more about wildlife and appreciate the diversity of life on Earth. Such experiences can be both exciting and educational.
Do you think it's important to protect wild animals? Why?
Yes, it's very important to protect wild animals. They play a crucial role in keeping nature in balance. Protecting them helps ensure biodiversity, which is essential for a healthy planet. Wild animals are valuable on their own, and future generations should have the chance to see and learn about them too. By preserving their habitats and preventing extinction, we also protect resources and natural beauty for humanity.
What can be done to help protect wild animals?
To protect wild animals, we can create and enforce laws that prevent hunting and habitat destruction. Establishing national parks and wildlife reserves is also essential for giving animals safe spaces to live. Public education about the importance of conservation can encourage people to support these efforts. Lastly, reducing pollution and addressing climate change can help preserve habitats for wild animals.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.